have mixed it all up. It's like, so these are the callaloo that's planted. Good morning, guys. Still obsessed with my hair, but anyways, so I have like 1 2 3 4, I think 4 piercings on each side of my ears. Anyways, before I get into that, good morning. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. If you're new here, I'm Nicoyan Patrice. I am an all over the place vlogger. I get updates on my life. Anyways, good morning, guys. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe for, you know, all the content that's coming your way. I have been consistently trying to be consistent this year, and so far it's going good. I'm happy with the way I'm performing. If you guys would please do me the favor of subscribing to the channel, liking the videos when you do click on here, and also commenting and sharing with like-minded people. I share my life, whether it be travel or at home. I like to garden. You know, it'll be some cooking videos. I am Jamaican, and sometimes you'll see some Jamaican dishes on here with either me or my mom. But yeah, thanks you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Anyways, so yeah, as I was saying before, I have all these piercing in my ears, and past couple of years I really have not worn my earrings. And this obviously, this first one is the one that I got when I was a kid, when I was a baby. I have another one here that I got in Jamaica a couple years ago, and then a couple here that I got here at one of the piercing places. So saying all of that to say that I think I'm gonna go to TJ Maxx later, either on my lunch break or when I get off of work, because I don't have to do pickup this week because the hubby's home. But either way, I'm gonna go to TJ Maxx to see if I could get some earrings to try to poke back through these holes. We'll see how that goes. Some earrings will affect me. As long as I find like hyperallergenic ones, it'll be fine. A lot of times if it's not like a gold earring, it'll bother me. So I'm going to see if I find like a hyperallergenic earring. As you know, TJ Maxx have lots of options when it comes to like costume jewelry or, you know, fashion jewelry. So I'm gonna go over to TJ Maxx later and see if I find some earrings to put back in my ears, because this year is about regaining me, you know, refinding me. And that's because me, I have allowed myself to like not be my best self in the past few years, and it has nothing to do with nobody but me. So I'm trying to refine myself. I feel like I'm in a new season. I'm in a new place in my life. I'm at a different, you know, level in my life right now, where I just want to go back to some of what I used to do, go back to some of the things that I used to do for myself, you know, the self-care as you guys call it nowadays, and be that person that I know I am supposed to be. So yeah, so I just pulled up to work. I'm about to go into these people's place, and it is 6 o'clock in the morning. That's the time I start work most days, is 6 o'clock. So I'm about to go into these people's place and get this day started. I will see you guys later when I pick you back up. Hopefully I remember to pick you guys back up when I hit the TJ Maxx. So see you guys later. Bye. Recording. See my t-shirt? Breaking Bad. Hi guys, work is over again. Another day is done and the sun's out. It was raining today, sun's out now, so we're about to head to TJ Maxx, see if I find them earrings I was talking about this morning. All right, so come along with me guys. I want to switch to my phone because I don't feel comfortable recording in some stores with my camera yet, so I'm going to switch to my phone. So hyperallergenic. That's what we need. These ones. These are nice. Focus. Focus. Oh, there we are. I'm back from TJ Maxx and this is what I got. Focus. And it was $10. There's 3 in there. So when I get home, we're gonna do it together. Poke these back through the holes that used to be there. Oh yeah. And the sun went away. The sun went away. As you can see, when I first came to the cart and headed to TJ Maxx, the sun was out. Now the sun's gone. Looks like it's gonna rain again. So let me get home so I don't get stuck in traffic. All right, guys. I'll get back to you guys when I get home. I'm trying to focus on it. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. $10 for 3 and hyperallergenic surgical steel. So let's see. They should have cut off, you know, them up here so dry light. See this here? They should have cut off. He's cleaning the yard. Alright, yes, someone want to put them here. Should you have on some type of eye mask or something? Should you have something, some type of eye protecting wear or something? I want to extend this out a little bit here to plant the new ones. Look! Oh no, there's ants on it. I need the thingy powder. There's ants everywhere. I'm supposed to get close to shit. Ah! I'm so excited. Ooh, 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 ooh. This one's fun. See, cutting it down is finally springing from the root. This one's already starting to open up. And then cutting this one and trimming this one too. And look at that. In the garden. So we have another garden update. There's new things that have been planted. This is a broccoli and some tomatoes, some I forgot what they call them. Basically they're coming back up. We got what? Some cucumber that was bought, not planted. Some cauliflower bought, store-bought. Some squash bought. Callaloo bought, store-bought. Yeah, don't touch it. Yeah. Is it what?
Is it worms?
No. That's stuff from the tree. That's not worms. Oh, he transplanted this stuff. But he moved this over here. This has to stay. What did he do here? Lord, they're not supposed to show. How are they gonna grow if they show? Oh, he transplanted these. Okay, look at you, Lord, doing your thing. But the blueberry has to come back over here because they have to stay next to each other. Okay, let's keep up with the garden update.
Oh my god.
They added more tomatoes here. More peppers there. And what's this here? More broccoli here. More tomatoes there. And tomatoes here. So yeah. Why did they put everything in the same bucket? That made no sense. You know what? I'm not gonna leave him alone. I'm just gonna leave him. But this has to come back over here because they have to stay next to each other. I need to repot this. But yeah, that's the garden. They know so this pepper already have sitting panny, sucker panny.
And this. And this. This one here too. See there.
This that's too early.
Are the sitting there on them, the sitting with it?
And then this have sucker.
Yeah, are the sitting there them.
That's too early. But
And the short breed them. That's why I'm not too early. I short breed them.
this needs to move back over this one because they have to stay close to each other. The blueberries, they have to stay close.
Oh, you have to tell it. I put it there.
Yeah, but I don't. He plant them different. That's Anderson's container. Anderson, what if Anderson want the container, but Jackie got hole in a hit?
Somebody carry them down pink plant.
Yeah, but I never. Good morning, Lloyd. Again. Oh, not too dusty. I think all these oil mark looks is probably from the Huh? It's from the rope. Not bad. Not bad at all. Needs a lot of cleaning though. So full, we have to let some of the water out. Let me take the duckies out, wash those off. These need to be taken out and washed off. They survived. See right there's a color change. Is this where the bleach was thrown?
That been happened.
We need to get the shock. We need to get the pump going, but I guess we gotta get the shock and stuff for it. I bought a bag, I think at Walmart the other day. Where is it? Get these out and clean them. Get new pills into them. Yeah, the pool. Top is off the pool. You can see the bottom, so that's a good thing. Look how full it is though. So it's a Navi. Some things are Navi. See, this contraption you have, good thing you have the ropes, because for the net tarpaulin thing that I was thinking about is like I could probably anchor a piece of it to this, to over here, to that tree there, like so it doesn't sit on the pool, so it's up off of it. But yes, now we gotta get it all cleaned up. Oh my goodness, look at this pile of stuff right there. That'd be dead. I said that'd be dead. Alright, that's the pool. Let's go check on the let me cover up here before I turn the camera because I don't got on any boulder holders. Good morning guys, good morning. It is Saturday and I'm off and I'm up and out. So as I just saw previous clip, the pool is open. Now we gotta get it all cleaned up and ready to go for the swimming season. We will have a longer swimming season this year because the pool's open early. Well, obviously last year we bought it kind of late into the season. I think we bought it like August or something, so we didn't have time for pool time. But now we will have a full-on pool season. Oh, because it's May and the pool is open. Now we got to get it all cleaned up. But look, let me give you guys a update on the you guys can hardly see me, but it doesn't matter. I'll give you guys an update on the garden because yesterday we had full rain all day yesterday. So everything is looking good, everything is blooming. Let me shut up so you guys could actually hear the birds. So I'm gonna turn you guys around, you guys could see the garden and listen to the birds.
Where's the east of them?
Oh, girl, I didn't see you there. I didn't know you was here. Walmart has.
Well, no, I just have to cupcake keep it.
Like, to order.
I just don't know.
What's that? Oh, but everybody get how many but me?
I was just about to say, how come mommy didn't get none? Oh, you bought them for her?
Thank you. Thanks, appreciate it. Listen.
Yesterday. So he asked him tonight if he could have some.
He ate it?
No, he took one bite and said, it's okay.
I thought he would have ate because his father likes it, so I think I thought he would have liked it too.
Is it full green?
Not as green as, yes, but not as green as,
Okay.
it could have been.
I can write happy birthday to you on it, but I don't know how it's gonna look on it, so I'm like, should I write anything on it?
Can they write it on it?
No, them, yeah, obviously.
Yeah, no, leave it plain. Yeah, you don't have to have that. Just give it a happy birthday party.
Happy birthday thing.
Like,
Oh, the
Fine.
sun or something.
get some light in. The sun is shining. It's a new day. We're all awake.
Okay.
That
the
wind
thing
is something else out there.
I can send it to Kearney. It can go to Kearney. I just don't know.
Oh, for pickup?
Said I would never drive her again, ever.
Look. Hi guys, again. We're headed out. They're taking me out the house to follow them to do their shopping. Tara, turn off the music till me done talk.
Oh.
So yeah. Anyway, so yeah. I've been relegated to the back seat. Look who's driving.
Complain when you're in the front seat. Now don't complain.
Do you have this?
Makes me worried about the type of driver she gonna be. He'll be just like me.
I was like, why you have to speed down here though?
I did not smell it. Yeah.
I should have brought my Kindle.
She wanted to go to Home Depot too. Remember that.
I should have brought my Kindle so I could be reading and distracted, like I do when your father's driving.
When does Daddy ever drive you?
All the time when we go far away. When we used to go to DC, remember I've had him drive a couple of times? But yes, I've been relegated to the back seat. So we're headed to Marshall's and possibly Home Depot. Because she needs she needs something for her. I don't know what she needs. She needs something at Marshall's, she says. And we need the cover for the pool, a mesh cover, so that's where we're gonna head next. Anyway, stay tuned. You bought a wallet?
Yeah.
You bought money?
Just from you though, so I can look at Pinterest.
If the money's from her?
No.
No, she's letting you know the money is just her money.
Her?
Where else was she supposed to spend her money on?
But I don't know why she's telling me that.
Oh.
As if she don't spend my money all the time.
I'm my mom though.
Exactly.
Who said that?
And I'm underage.
Who said that?
Clean. I was waiting for a time where it's not going to rain at least one of the days.
First time when I first drove with her, and we went to the car dealership. Mom.
You went to car dealership with her?
Yeah.
Car dealership.
Damn, suckers need a proper wash.
After I had to go pick up the map or something.
The lot is right here. The car was over here.
Nothing.
So we're at Marshall's. Let's see what they get up to in here. Nothing. One thing. Don't buy anything.
You can't tell me what I do with my own.
What the heck? That's rude. Do you see this dressing? It's cold. It's cold again. Everybody got to grab for jackets this morning. You like this top? Like, I have lots of tops, but they don't fit. That's the problem. Nothing fits me anymore. Look at the syrup collection here. They have so many. Such a wider variety, but I don't see none of my fruity ones. Are they hidden? Salted caramel. It's none of the fruity ones. Vanilla bean, brown sugar. Oh yeah, I picked up this shirt. I found this pants. I'll do a haul when I get home. So it's crazy busy up in here, too early. Now we're at Home Depot to get a cover for the pool, like a mesh cover, and some shock for it. Let's see how this works. If not, we will be draining it and refilling it. He think he's slick. I said this morning at 6 o'clock, I said, let's go to Home Depot. Because he was like, did you order the thing? I said, no, let's go to Home Depot. I probably thought I was going to try to use his gift card. He going to use that to fix the back porch. Because he plans to rebuild the back porch.
I know it's going to happen. I'm going to have to print
What the hell? So Home Depot didn't have what we came for. So I'm about to go check Walmart and Amazon. Try to order it from them. So we left empty-handed. Look what I found at Marshall's for my garden. It's a bird bath. A bird feeder. It's more like a bird bath. I'm gonna make water so they can drink water. I'm not putting no seeds in it.
The suggested retail price is $36. And you got it for $17.
Isn't that cute? I'm gonna turn it so you guys can see it. Look at that.
I like this one.
Which one? The one that I got?
No.
Which one? This one? And it was 17 bucks. They had a bigger one, but they said to get 2 small ones. And then this one is the next one. Let me show you the actual picture. Oh, both the pictures are the same, but this is different. This one is that one right there. So I'm gonna put them out in my garden. I'm gonna put one in this one and one in that one. I'm gonna go put them in before I take my clothes off. Let's open them. Get me the tripod now, please.
Okay.
Go get me the tripod.
Then start.
Oh.
Go.
Can you put the thing up so I can see myself? You don't need to see me. Yeah, there we go. And I got these. These were $20. They're very lightweight. Some stuff that I'm looking for. And I figured if I had somewhere to go real quick, I could just I bought a shirt to go with it. And then I'll have an outfit. You see? This is colorful and pretty. And then 2 house dress 90 situations. This one is a purplish pinkish color. Can you see it? In the drawer last night, one night, remember when Jackie carried one piece of bun, come give me. And remember say cheese. Some of nobody eat the bun. The bun still upstairs. And this one. I'm in my comfort area. You gotta be comfortable, or else I don't want it. So that's my Marshall's haul. As I said before, didn't get what I went to Home Depot for because they didn't have the main thing I needed, and the other stuff I'm just gonna go to order in Walmart. So I'm about to do that now and clean, because we need to clean, especially not especially, we need to clean this whole house. I also got these from Amazon, some ear piercing kits. Are these on your outfit? Yeah. Look. Ooh, can you guys see it? It even comes with the earrings already attached. So you just gotta clean the ears and go pop. You want me to do phone up here? I didn't realize it was this many. When it said 8, I thought they were counting each piece, but each one has 8 in it, right?
Huh?
Each box has 8 in it.
Yeah.
So it's like 16.
Yeah.
I didn't realize that. So you want me to do here? Want me to do yours? You're not even looking at me.
Well, I can't
The
see
camera's
nothing.
sideways. She got the camera sideways. But yeah, isn't that cool? It's like literally the same thing they have at the place that they charge you 30, 40, 50 million, $100 for. Look at it. So I'm gonna let Navian do it because she has the heart to do this. You wanna do mine? You wanna try?
I don't do yours.
See? You want me to do yours?
Is that no straight?
Yes, it's gonna be straight. Well, wait for Navi. She'll do it for you. Okay, and then I ended up buying 2 boxes. So I guess anybody that wants the ear pierced will get it pierced. You want 2 more holes, 1 on each side? Grandma said she wants 2 more. And I'm doing 1, 2, 3. Well, that's 6. So I can't. How much am I gonna give away? Anyways, bye guys. We're about to go clean. What in the world? Nada, look at this. Where's the stand? Guys, I should have bought the big one. When they said small, they meant also the stand. Oh my God. This is not gonna show. Look, look. This is the stand. I should have gotten the big one, the tall one that actually had a stand. That's this. I wanted something that's gonna stand up like this. What am I gonna do with this? Should I return that? Like, look. Oh. My apologies. Look, it has the stand. It was under. My apologies. It was there. It was under the thing. Okay, so let's take this back off. Oh, my husband's out back cleaning the pool. I should go. Girl, put the something down, let me see.
Pull what down? It's not attached.
Oh. What's wrong with it?
I'm just showing it to you.
Oh. It's hot now, so I need to take the sweater off. I'm about to go change. And that's better. There we go. And then of course you jam it into the soil. That's so cute. Alright, let me put the other one together and then we'll go put them outside. That's cute. I should have gotten the big one. I feel like I should have gotten the big one. You should put it here. Can you guys see it? No. Let me drop you guys down a little bit further. It's right there. Oh. This adds a little bit of dimension to my garden. Or should I put it back over there? That's not a set spot. And there's the other one. Isn't she pretty? Isn't she pretty? I need to bring her this more this side. I need to reposition this one. More like right. I think I need to put her right there. Let's reposition. Aren't they so special? Yes, I like them. Add a little bit of dimension to my garden. Let's go see what the man is doing. summertime, so it's also laundry day. Laundry day because it's summertime. This champion right down here is trying to get the pool clean. Oh, now that you have mixed it all up, it's like, can't even see the bottom. I can't find the shock. I know I bought shock. Somebody said to just throw the copper pipes in it. The reviews are mixed. Some people said shock it. Some people said, you know, this is not for that, right? This is not the shock. The tablets. He's been literally scrubbing this thing and trying to get all the dust out. But now that he's touching it, it's all mixed up. But I gotta go. My battery came. My battery come. It's literally just one of the ones I already have that works. Yeah, this is brown. It's literally the same one I have in the thing right now, so I'm about to go plug it in. I wish it would focus. There you go. And I'm gonna end the vlog right here in the bed. So yeah, what was I gonna say? Anyways, this is the end of this week's vlog. What did I end with? I think I ended with a thing from Marshall's. Yeah, when I put up my little bird feeders that I got from Marshall. So I want to thank you guys for always watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and return for next week's vlog. Next week's vlog is probably gonna include getting stuff for the pool. I'm probably gonna run to Walmart in the morning to get that, so I'm gonna continue to start a new vlog with that one. While you cheering, I'm not taking with you. I'm gonna leave before you wake up. I think they open up at like 6. I'm gonna go early before you wake up.
I'll give up 5 o'clock.
So yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye.
Stay blessed. Bye.